Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at Sierra Surgical in Sonipat, in Delhi NCR region, and I am here with my friend Mr. Rakesh Solanki, who is the MD of Vargas India, and Mr. Mandeep, who is the Assistant Manager Sales and Marketing. Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time.
Thank you very much, Asutosh.
So welcome to my hometown, Delhi.
Thank you. Thank you for
So
welcoming
you
me.
hosted me in Ahmedabad last time. Now I am hosting you in Delhi.
I am happy to take your treat, I would say.
Definitely. So we are here in front of Sierra Surgical, which is one of the most important orthopedic plant manufacturer in this region. So how important is this customer for you?
I think, Ashutosh, this customer we are serving from more than 10 years. And this is one of our important customers because when we talk about surgical segment, we have complete package in terms of cutting tools available from Vargas. So in that regards, when I say this is, one of our important, customers, and we are supplying almost all kind of tools over here. And he is one of our highly satisfied customers from more than 10 years.
Amazing. So what kind of products you guys are selling here?
We are supplying a lot of product like microscope, VG cut, SG cut, and taper thread millings, and special turning solutions and standard turning. We are supplying.
Fantastic. And how has been the feedback? What is the performance?
It is one of the satisfied customer. If you want to more about this, let's come inside and ask them.
Definitely. Fantastic. Let's go. Hello and welcome to MTD CNC India. Today we are here at Sierra Surgical in NCR region of India, and I am here with the director of the company, Mr. Rupit Dureja.
Hello.
Thank you, sir. Thank you for your time. Sir, we have heard a lot about your company, and you are one of the biggest company in surgical parts. Please tell us about your journey.
Yeah, hi. Actually, myself, Rupit. We are we are a manufacturer of orthopedic implants in India from last 25 years, and we have been using a lot of latest technology products. As you can see, we are using latest machines from Japan and best tooling solutions from Vargas, Israel. And we established this company in way back in 2006, and this was established by my father, and we are just carrying forward that legacy. We are using a lot of machining products, making different products for different audiences, like trauma implants, spinal implants, dental implants, like that. And we are using different kind of solutions as per the latest technology and evolving times. So this company was started. We started this plant way back in 2008, and since then we have been gradually upgrading the plant, upgrading the machines, and upgrading the technology in the plant.
So this is really good, sir. Sir, tell us about what kind of certifications your company has, and what kind of in which countries you are exporting your products to.
Presently, we have European certification CE. We are exporting globally, and we have the Indian registration, the Indian FDA. We are very soon. We are going to have US FDA 510K also on our product, and we have other local certifications of different countries where we export. We are exporting globally to approximately more than 50 countries.
Wow, 50 countries you are exporting to. Amazing. So you have been working with Vargas. You are, taking their products and they are providing you solutions. How has been your experience?
So our experience has been very good with Vargas. We are associated way back from 2014, and we are using different solutions like thread milling, thread turning, ST cut, VG cut, grooving. So we're using a variety of solutions from Vargas.
Can you give me some example where they have solved your problem with
Yes.
any thread mill or thread turning?
Yes, of course. So there are some critical applications. So as you can see, this taper thread mill, if I may ask, this is a very critical application. So in this, basically, the depth of the thread should be very appropriate. So we have tried many brands, but so far none of the brand have been able to produce a proper grinded finished thread and proper depth. So this is a very important product for us because it is used a lot of in bulk, and we are using VG cut solution also. This is very critical. This is brewing solution. The quality is very good. When we are using this, we are not getting any bursts. So the quality is very good.
So it might have helped you in, getting the better quality and, increasing the productivity, reducing the cycle time.
Yes, of course. We have been able to achieve good cycle times, reduce off times, and get more productivity. Yes, of course. We have
Apart
benefited a
from
lot.
thread milling or thread turning, are you also using any other solution?
Yeah, we are using a different solution also, like this ST cut solution also we are using. This is a very important ST cut solution. Other companies, we are experiencing bursts. So with Vargas, we are not able to experience bursts. So our production is good. Off time is very low. So we are producing a good quantity, good quality.
Fantastic. And that's why you are using Vargas products for such a long time and increasing
Yes.
their, use of product rates.
Yes, we are using Vargas from a long. This is the main reason because of their quality.
And if you are satisfied, would you recommend these products to other other companies
Of
also?
course, we keep on recommending these products to different sectors where we are associated, maybe our vendors or other associations internationally also. So we recommend Vargas products to our different customers who we know. So yes, of course, this is a good product. Yes.
Fantastic. Sir, I wish you all the best. I think you are one of the, leading example for Made in India for the world. I wish you all the best. You keep going like this. Wish you all the best and success. Thanks a lot.
Thank you. Thank you.